So, have you ever wanted to demonstrate using a video how certain things can be done in your modules? Have you ever wanted to show to students how a practical activity can be completed without having to explain verbally? And have you ever wanted to do this within the Microsoft PowerPoint environment without having to learn a new software? Today's video is going to show us how to use the screen capture or the screen recording feature in Microsoft PowerPoint. My name is Faniran, and I am the Educational Technologist at Varsity College, Westville. So, this feature can either be called screen capture sometimes, but the actual name of the feature within PowerPoint is called screen recording. So we're going to learn how to use Microsoft PowerPoint to record a screen. It can be the screen of the slides that you're trying to present to your students. It can be the screen of a particular environment on your device. It can be the screen of your desktop environment or your browser. Whatever it is you would like to record, this can be done using Microsoft PowerPoint. You do not have to use this feature only if you want to present slides. You can literally use this feature to create videos that have nothing to do with PowerPoint slides, but the feature itself can be found in the Microsoft PowerPoint application. So let's see how it works. Okay, so I'm just going to escape this now. So I'm within the Microsoft PowerPoint environment right now, and if I go to Insert tab, and the far right corner you see Screen Recording. As you can see, this opens up the window where you can actually control the features of what you want to record. So here, if you click on the record button, of course your record starts. Your recording would start, and to select the area you would like to record, you click on this button here, and then you can draw a rectangle around the area, and only what is within this rectangle will be recorded. You can also determine if you want your record pointer to show while you're recording, and if you click on this, it means when you're recording in that video, the mouse cursor would be shown in the video. Okay, if you want to record the whole screen, you click on select area again, and then you just drag from the edge of the screen to the edge again, to the from the top left corner to the bottom right corner, and now the whole screen is being recorded. Alright, now as I said earlier, you could record anything you want, but let's start with the assumption that you would like to record something within your PowerPoint presentation. So I'll open PowerPoint, I'll select the area I want to record, and then I will just I'm just going to select this area, and I'm going to just draw like this. Okay, so now my recording has not started yet. So let's say I want to record my slide number 3, and it is to show to students how to rearrange images in my presentation. So my recording is about to start. I click on record, and the countdown starts. Now it is recording. Okay, and now I can actually do whatever I want here. I can rearrange images. I can drag this image to the left, to the right. I can make it bigger. I can drag this down here. I can move this up. I can edit this. I can move this up here. And if that is actually what I want to demonstrate to students, and I'm happy with that, then I can now stop the recording up here. You can also press the Windows logo key plus the Shift button plus the Q button. So you can press those 3 keys at the same time, Windows logo plus Shift plus Q, and it would stop the recording. So I'm going to stop the recording by clicking on the stop button. Now the recording has stopped, and if you noticed, it has been put onto my slides. So this is the recording. Because it was done within Microsoft PowerPoint, it brings it back into a slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. So I could decide to just create a new slide here and maybe drag or cut my recording. I just press Ctrl X and then paste my recording by using Ctrl V. Okay, so now it's up to you what you would like to do with this recorded screen. If you want to see more options about what you could do, just click on the playback. When you click on the recording, you go to the top, and in one of the tabs you click on the playback in the ribbon. So in the ribbon up here, I'll click on the playback, and you can see the different things I can do with this recorded screen. I can increase the volume, I can select the fade duration, I can trim the video to determine where it starts or where it stops. I can add a bookmark to determine a place in the video where I want to refer my students to. I can decide if the video starts when I click automatically or in click sequence. If you also have some captions for your video that you've already created earlier, you can insert captions using this option. If you want to format how the video looks like, the actual image itself, you can click on the video format in the ribbon up there, and you can make different formatting options. Interestingly, you can change the shapes of your your recorded screen by using any of these options. You can change the shape to something else that you want. I'm just gonna use maybe this one for now, and as you can see what happens on the edge there. Remember, this is just when you still want to use this recorded screen in your PowerPoint presentation. However, you can decide to save this recorded screen as a video, and that's why I said earlier that you don't have to use it only for the purpose of presenting with PowerPoint. If you want this to be a video, you can just right click on the recorded screen here and then save media as. You click on that option and then you save it as whatever video name, you give the name to it and you click on save, and that same file is going to be saved as a video. I'm just going to go to my downloads folder and try to play back the video. Now it is recording. As you can see, now it plays as a normal video, and you can decide to send the video to your students or to your colleagues or whatever the purpose of the video might be meant for. That is how screen recording is done using PowerPoint. Remember that you can also record any area of your screen, and when it is sent back to PowerPoint, you determine what you want to do with that recording. Do you want to make it part of your slides, or do you want to make it as a video on its own? Alright, and do not forget to join our Tech Talks presentations, which take place again this coming Tuesday and Thursday. Always check with your EdTech on campus to catch up with the dates for the Tech Talk presentations. We hope to see you there, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.